This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Flutter 3, X or newer, Android X and iOS 12 minimum, then enable camera and ML permissions. Add the Google ML-Kit * packages in PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pub get so dependencies resolve. Next, instantiate a camera controller, request runtime permissions, and create an input image stream from camera frames. Once done, set up a basic analyzer callback that converts frames into input image objects. This immediately lets you feed data into ML-Kit. Now you integrate the model you need. Pick text recognition, face detection, barcode scanning, or language APIs. Configure detector options, for example, high accuracy mode, enable multiple faces, or set language hints, because options change performance and output. Create the detector instance, then call its process image method with each input image. Make sure to handle results asynchronously, and consider moving heavy parsing to an isolate so the UI remains smooth. This prevents frame drops while you analyze every camera frame. Finish by cleaning up. Dispose camera controller, stop image streams, and close ML-Kit detector instances in Dispose so you avoid leaks. Validate on real devices under different lighting and angles, and add fallbacks for low-confidence results. For example, retry or prompt the user. If things break, first verify runtime permissions and Android X compatibility. Then confirm package versions, match your Flutter SDK, and that the device supports the chosen on-device models. These checks solve most integration failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.